guys? My name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. And today we are putting in the Swan Method. So I have got 9 wefts of hair. I'm going to do 2 rows of extensions on her. Where I place the rows is going to be so easy for her to maintain that she can pick up her hair. My method, Swan Method, you can go 13 weeks without having to come back in and get them removed. So that is key. A lot of extension methods only last about 7 to 8 weeks. The Swan Method lasts 13 weeks. I do have an online program. Click the link below and you can start today. I will be your mentor. So as soon as you sign up, don't think it's just signed up and then I don't talk to you. No. We become besties, best friends forever, okay? You're gonna contact me, I'm gonna contact you. If you need any guidance, any help, I'm there to help you. This is actually one of our hairstylists here at Tone Hair Salon. Becca, you've seen her in some of our classic videos, but today she's getting some weave. So what I plan on doing is putting in her extensions, 1 row here, 2nd row here. We're gonna give her lots of length. I cannot wait to show you guys the finished project. I cannot show you exactly what I'm doing because that is in the class only. And I hope that you join and I see you soon. All right. Oh, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Follow. TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, Leda Fazal.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe.
All right, so the beads is super important where you place them. I never, ever will place beads or place the hair before I place the beads. So the bead work is the foundation.
Don't tell me lies now. I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can't feel me. Can't handle it.
All right, guys, I just almost finished her first row. I'm taking it down. Like I said, I do my stitching differently, so I want you to really get up close here, okay? Hold on, let me get this nice and neat. Look at this, okay? Do you guys see that stitching? All right, you don't see that top ugly stitch in any of my work. And it is super 360 seamless, top and bottom, easily flexible, top and bottom. So I'm gonna finish, I still have to finish sewing both ends, but I did want you guys to just kind of see what it looks like right now. Nice, seamless, smooth. All right, look at this. I haven't cut anything. I haven't had to blend anything because her hair color was blended beautifully by Kaylin. And her extension wefts, I placed them perfectly. Look at it, come close. What? Are you literally kidding me? Let's see, let's pick up her hair. All right, guys, you saw how short her hair was. This is hers. Look at that. I'm gonna lay it down. Look at that. That's amazing. Beautiful. That's the Swan Method.
Trust me and you will see it. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. So don't put your love.
All right, we're done. Do you love your new long, beautiful hair? Oh my God. Okay, so you want to turn around for me? I put in 2 rows of using the Swan Method, 8 wefts. Look at how beautifully blended her hair is. And that, I have to tell you, is on placement. Placement is key on where you put your extensions. So I put 1 row up here. You see that? Come close, look at that. You can barely see those stitches. All right, and then I put another row right about 3-4 inches down, okay? So that's really, really crucial. She'll be able to go 13 weeks before she needs to have them taken out and then re-put back in. All right, Becca, enjoy your new long, beautiful hair. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that button and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Leda Fazal.